Looks like there's a fire at a store. Just a mini one because it looks like there's only one apparatus. That's ladder 116. Go ahead and check it out while I'm walking my dog. See it right there. Just right up the block. It's the nearest side. We have 260. And then we have 262. But this was the nearest one. There you go. Like a small fire, really. Nothing major. It's probably a gasoline problem. Up it looks like we have engine 260 over here. Or 262. Mistaken, my bad. That's a really big small fire. Hey, that's what I talked to you. That's a really major. Looks like something's going on in that ladder. Here we go. Let's check it out. I just took up my dog up so you can see it right there. So I'll just get him on the fire truck. So I'm in the Ravenswood neighborhood. I want to become a firefighter. Just looking at my academics. See, we got ladder 116 and I think it's 262. It was just a couple seconds ago. You said a firefighter put it out. I know probably well. I work for the community service. So just to check what's going on in the ladder. Because it looks like it's inside. This side work right now. So we'll go around. Let's check it out. Check it out real quick. You see, there's the apparatus. No, I lighted at the restaurant. Yep, we'll take it across the street. Take it across the street to top of the street. Check it out. Yeah. Firefighter and his daughter right there. So we're just gonna be, and this is really at the end. Firefighters is taking a look. I think of the ladder. Must be something with the gasoline. Right there, next to the laundromat. That's the very major. Look out for more videos.